description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, Prima Taste Black Pepper Crab LaMian from Singapore. New packaging, new way to prepare it, yada yada yada. So that's what we are tucking in to do right now. One big sachet. Noodle block, and let's do this. So the way you make this is you cook the noodle for 5 minutes and then add in the sachet. It also said a medium boil, so I'm going to turn that down a bit, and then yeah, that ain't too medium, is it? Settle down, Beavis, settle down. Yeah, you boil the noodle for 5 minutes, and then you add in the sachet, and then you do it for 2 more. So I warned you, this is a long haul. If you have to, if you just have to see, you can go forward a little bit. But I will talk the whole time, so you'll be missing out on my fascinating banter about the world around you. And so Prima Taste makes in my opinion, the finest instant noodles in the world. Quite specifically, Prima Taste whole grain Singapore laksa LaMian. That stuff floats my freaking boat. Okay? I really, really love that. And it's been number 1 on my top 10 list for eons. And then they changed the package size. So that's cool. I reviewed that one recently, and it's as good, if not better, than it was before. They discontinued the whole grain curry, which I just wish all their noodles, up and down the spectrum of all the noodles they make, were just whole grain. I don't know why people would rather have this noodle than the whole grain. Not saying there's anything wrong with this noodle. I just really like the whole grain one. But if the whole grain one didn't exist, it goes back a few years, but the non-whole grain one was number 1 on my top 10. So, yeah. Amazing stuff. I think we might be looking at almost 10 years? Maybe 9 years? I don't know. They know. They know how many years they've been on the top 10. So, that's cool. But, yeah. No, that seems to be really quite an angry boil, if you ask me. But as far as, like, the technical idea of an instant noodle, like you put it in a bowl, add hot water, and it'll spring to life, no, this is a cooking noodle. And I've gotten people really, really, really bent out of shape on that. This is not an instant noodle. This is a rice noodle. This is that. You don't know what you're talking about. You're a horrible person. You should be reviewing cheeseburgers. I actually got that. I had a guy, I can't remember where I think he was Taiwanese. I don't know. But he got all bent out of shape. Generally, people with knowledge to impart, if I'm saying something wrong, are really nice about it. And I appreciate that. Because I am not averse to being told, oh, actually, what you said there was wrong, and this is it, and here's some points to back that up. And then I'm like, oh, well, thank you for the information. I'd rather be right than wrong, and I'm not the type of guy who's going to sit here and say, I'm right. No, really, there's facts to back this up that you are not right. No, I'm right. I'm not. I don't do that. And that's kind of a common thing these days, is people just seem to, they're right. And to be called wrong is like a horrible, horrible thing. I don't know why. But earlier I did my little walk, and I went to the thrift store, not the thrift store, I went to a grocery store, Dollar Tree, and I got this. I didn't see that it said imitation, but it'll work. But I think it was only $1, and that's pretty cool because it's shelf stable. So we're going to have imitation crab meat in it. It says imitation crab meat in brine, so I'm guessing maybe I should like get rid of the brine. I don't know. But then I went to Grocery Outlet and they had cans of it for $2.99. But there's no way I'm going to use a whole can, and I would need 2 of them because I'm going to be doing the chili crab pretty soon. It's so weird outside right now. It's like the calm before the storm. As we are going to... Okay. Okay, so now we turn that off. We're going to add in the contents of this large pouch. I think there's like crab in this. I can't remember, but there's a lot. Wow, this is really meaty stuff. I do not know if this one will end up in the United States. It might not. Did it ever? I know the chili crab did. Still have yet to make it over to the new TNT grocery in Bellevue. I can't wait to do that. It still boggles my mind that when it opened, there was a line around the store. It used to be a Walmart, and now it's the largest Asian grocery in North America. And there was like a line around the store twice when it opened. So it's been a little while. I wanted to go there like right away, and we tried to, but it was just like, no, we're not doing that. It would take too long to get in that place, which is crazy because it's like there's not enough room for all the people who want to be in here, and there's a line stretching around the size of a super Walmart, and this is the largest Asian grocery in North America. That's a lot of people. That's like a small city. It's like... But then I guess what I heard was people were going in there, and it was like standing, well, not like people sit in the grocery store per se, but there really was not a lot of room in there. Okay. Let it do its thing. Oh, the song I don't like. There. Yeah. So this is the last one I'm doing today. And then tomorrow I'm off to the state capital of Washington for a field trip with my son Miles. That's going to be crazy. I think it's going to be an interesting thing. I hope he's into it. I think he might just be into going for a trip that, you know, and then I'm with him. Which is fine too. I like that. But hopefully he'll find it like interesting. I'm not like, you know, if you have questions, ask the tour person questions. Ask questions. Learn things. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Generally. There is an asterisk to go along with that statement, of course. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Wow, this smells really nice. Look at that noodle. It's very hot. Oh, the burner's still on too. there is kind of like a saucy gravy. That's like the savoriest black pepper taste I've ever had. That is so good. Wow. I really like that. I'm stoked. This is my lunch. Yes, bowl of noodles. I dub you lunch. So now I've got this crab meat. I'm gonna put it. The noodles wonderful. The sauce is wonderful. This is 5-star stuff. This is really good. Wow. I've had noodles with black pepper in them that have just been like, what do we got here? Which has just been kind of like lacking. Like there's too much of this or too much of that. I'm gonna put all this crab in here, or pretend crab, depending on how it looks once I stir this up. Hopefully it flakes. That's good. Crab is incredibly expensive, and you'd think it wouldn't be so expensive like here where we have lots of Alaskan, you know, king crab, Alaskan crab. We're south of that, you know, but come on, flake it up. Oh, you're not gonna do it, are you? You're gonna make me look like a fink. Maybe we'll just get a violent stir going on here. Pardon as I make funny noises trying to work with this stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. We got the egg. Oh, that was supposed to be a surprise. Wow. Wow. So as of this one, I am officially 179 reviews ahead. Yep. And this, so yeah, I did this post or this video March 26th, 2025. I'm guessing this will come out, what, August 10th or so? That's a lot of food. And, yeah, I don't know. Maybe this won't be my lunch. Maybe part of it will be lunch. Come on, egg. Oh, let's talk. There we go. And, it'll come out, the episodes of the show come out before things come out on www.theramenraider.com, unless I rush them. Usually, I don't think I'm going to rush this one. I might do it with the chili crab. I've been kind of shying away from doing rush jobs on things or pushing them ahead in the order, because I have to like do it at the right point so I'm not pushing something that I find to be kind of like meh. I mean, I want something that's like really unremarkable to be shoved ahead so it can come out earlier. And I have to be honest, a lot of the time recently, a lot of the stuff that I'm reviewing is pretty remarkable stuff. So Let's see what happens when I do this. Come on. Let's see. We're pretty centered, I think. Ooh, don't go slipping and sliding, egg. Anything else? It's black pepper. I really don't want to add any extra black pepper. Maybe some sesame seed. I think I'm gonna leave it at that for now. But yeah, wow, groovy. Well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. If you like what I do, like and subscribe. Consider donating with Patreon. Yeah, that's about it. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.